Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a speed cleaning motivation for you guys, so stay tuned. So what I want to mainly do is pretty much tidy up my house. There's a few areas that I just wanted to get clean because no matter what, I just cannot rest if they are clean. Luckily, my husband did me a huge favor and he cleaned up the kitchen the night before because it was a disaster. And he cleaned up the whole kitchen, so I woke up with a nice clean kitchen. But I wanted to clean up my room. I always start off with making my bed, and then I just wanted to vacuum and stuff like that. You guys, who else is tired from Christmas? Like the week leading up to Christmas, doing all these Christmas activities, and then Christmas, and now I'm just exhausted. But I know I cannot rest if I don't get the house clean. So luckily I don't have to do the kitchen, but I do have to mop in there. I just wanted to tidy up my room, vacuum the living room and stuff like that. So just a speed cleaning, but once it's all done, you just feel so much better. Pretty much in this video actually will be the last time you guys will see my Christmas decor. I did not take down my Christmas decor right away, but I always make sure everything is gone before the new year starts. I like to start the house with a nice clean slate, everything put away in the house nice and clean. So comment down below, let me know your New Year's tradition. What do you normally do? Do you put your Christmas decor away right away? Some people even do it on the night of Christmas. I ain't trying to do all that, but today's when I filmed this video is the 26th, so I didn't feel like putting the stuff away, but in the next few days I will put my stuff away. In a way, I'm kind of sad because I love my Christmas decor, but I want my house back. I have not seen what my house looked like since August. I forgot where most of my stuff goes, so I'm looking forward to decluttering and organizing. So that's some new content that I have that's coming up in my channel for next month, so I can't wait to start with all of that.
Set the potato, sunlight that always stays, dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross, made some dude crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while. I'm living that high life. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home.
Pretty much in here, I just wanted to tidy up and wipe down the counters and the mirror. You know how you brush your teeth and wash your face, there's always like watermarks on the mirror, so I wanted to make sure I wipe that down. And my husband has a beard, so there's always hair in the sink, so I try to make sure it stays clean. I will also be sweeping in here and wiping down my toilet, so it's not really a deep clean at all. It's just making sure that it's not dirty.
I never dated a black guy. I said you're brown yourself. Let me offer help. Come on inside, where everybody knows your name. Everybody knows your name. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking Evoking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feel it when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Separate again. Sunlight that always stays in and by the waterway. It's that sweet life, sweet life, sweet life.
Hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. If you are, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, you guys. Thank you so much.
I never wanna go home, go home. Living in Stockholm. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm. Yeah. Shut up,
Hey guys, it would not be one of my videos if I don't add some sort of laundry motivation in here, since it's actually my favorite chore. Right now I'm washing the towels, but I will also add some Christmas stuff like the Christmas towels and my kitchen runner in here in the kitchen towels, so like that when I put it away it's nice and clean. And right here I will be using the Clorox laundry sanitizer. It works really well. And then whenever I wash towels I always use vinegar because it makes them fluffier and it kills the smell of towels as well, and it helps with disinfecting. You will not see me using laundry detergent because it's already in my washing machine. It has a 75-ounce load and it just dispenses the soap for me, so I don't have to constantly doing it myself.
Somebody that I used to know, somehow you're my enemy. I don't wanna fight no more. Origami on the floor, breaking stuff that's so sentimental. Push and pull is all we do. Life is hollow without you. Without you, without you, without you, without you. Left hand feels so heavy, anchored to your memory. Ravage through my brain, oh, loose in the china shop. It goes non-stop. I don't wanna fight no more. Origami on the floor, breaking stuff that's...
While I was cleaning, I caught Destiny trying to warm up her breakfast. I had made a ton of pancakes and all she had to do was just warm up her own pancakes. And my kids are pretty independent. They always do it themselves, but it makes me so sad because it just lets me know that she's growing up.
Without you, without you, without you.
I actually have have been looking for this spray, and I know normally Target sells them, but they have been sold out for months now since the pandemic. But I actually found it at Costco, and they come in a 3-pack, so I definitely grabbed me a pack. If you guys didn't know, I also have a vlogging channel, and the link will be down in my description box. I just recently posted our Christmas morning video where my kids opened up the Christmas presents. I absolutely love it because I get to look back on those memories.
Don't let the street lights lead you all alone. You know it's dangerous to go alone. Don't let the street lights hit you. Could I be your player too? I'll follow wherever you go, whatever you do. Player too. 7 years of imperfect love, 7 more and another one. And another one. Finding you was the one I lost. 7 wonders all in one. All in one. Don't let the street lights lead you all alone. You know it's dangerous to go alone. Don't let the street lights hit you. Could I be your player too? I'll follow wherever you go, whatever you do. Player too.
So as you guys can see, my kitchen was pretty clean. Thank God, because I do not like waking up to a dirty kitchen no matter how tired I am. But I had to wipe down the kitchen table because the kids ate pancakes and there was some syrup on the table, so I just went ahead and did that. The floor was already swept for me, thank you Jesus. And I just went ahead and mopped the floor. But what I will be using here is the old cedar, like the quick mop, the spray. You pretty much put in your own solution and it's just easier that way. I didn't want to take out my mop bucket and just fill up the bucket up. I just wanted something nice and quick, and it did a pretty good job. I ordered this about 2 weeks ago, so I can't tell you how it works long term, but so far so good.
They were handed down to me, but I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Clothes to make the man, but that poison's gonna chew you from the inside out. So right now, say it with your chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. praise, cause you proved to me that rising to the top was my destiny. And you can see whatever from behind me, but I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Clothes to make the man, but that poison's gonna kill you from the inside out.
Now I am in my kids' bathroom, and I will be doing the same thing I did in my bathroom, which is wipe down the mirrors, the countertops, and wipe down the toilet. But if you see me watching something on my phone behind me, I was actually watching Grey's Anatomy. Y'all have been recommending me that show after finishing watching Virgin River. I wanted something that had a ton of seasons and was just as good. And I am hooked on Grey's Anatomy. I think I'm on season 2, episode 13 or something like that. And it was so good. I needed to get some cleaning done, but I also wanted to lay down and watch some Grey's Anatomy. So I had to just like watch it on my phone while I clean. It's so good. So if you're looking for a new show to watch, I definitely recommend that one.
If you're on the bus, say yeah. If you're on the train, say yeah. If you gotta walk, say yeah. Everybody's going somewhere. Young or old, I really don't care. Life has never really been fair. So put your fist up in the air. Say yeah. I'm young, I'm free. Can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free. Can't nobody take me here and now.
So that will be all, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. This will be my last video for 2020, y'all. That sounds so weird when I say it, but I'm looking forward to being in 2021. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give that like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.
Clothes to match, 'cause they were handed down to me, but I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's